students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 5.6. Okay, so question number 1, this is totally based on the types of triangles. Okay, so first one is name the types of the following triangles. So here first part is triangle with lengths of sides. Here it is given different angles, different sides. So based on sides and based on angles, they have the different types of angles. So here it is given different sides, so that is the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Same here also, it is the different sides, means scalene triangle. Okay, here number C, triangle PQR, such that PQ equal to QR equal to PR equal to 5 cm. Means all the three sides are equal in length. So what is the triangle? What type of triangle is that? Equilateral triangle. Okay. Number D is triangle DEF with angle D equal to 90 degree. So like this we have the triangle. This is like this. Okay, this have the different sides. Okay, so I here angle D equal to 90 degree like this. So this is right angled triangle. It is based on the angle. This type of angle is based on the angle. Number E is triangle XYZ with angle Y equal to 90 degree and XY equal to YZ. So here the two sides are equal, that is means isosceles. Okay, like this we have. Okay, these two angles are equal, means that is the isosceles, that is based on sides, and angle Y is equal to 90 degree also. Okay, so we have the 90 degree also. So like this. Okay, so this like this we have like this. Okay, so these angles are equal, these sides are equal, and this angle is 90 degree, that is right angle isosceles triangle. Means this type of triangle is both having based on angles and sides. Okay, so here number F part is triangle LMN with angle L equal to 30 degree, M equal to 70 degree and N equal to 80 degree. You can see that these three angles are less than 90 degree. Okay, these are less than 90 degree, all the three angles. So what is the triangle? This will be the acute triangle because it is less than 90 degree. Okay students, let's come to the question number 2 of exercise 5.6. Here you have to match the following. Here it is written measures of triangle, and here in this column it is written types of triangle. Okay, this one. Okay, so here number first is three sides of equal length. So all the three sides are equal, means equilateral triangle. So here you can see equilateral triangle is here. So you have to match like this. Two sides of equal length means two sides are equal, base is not equal, that is we know that isosceles triangle. Okay, all sides are of different length. So all sides are different length means scalene triangle. This is scalene triangle. Three acute angles means acute angle. Okay, all are acute angles means acute angle triangle. Okay, one right angle means here it is written right angled. This is right angled. One obtuse angle means obtuse angled. Okay, this one. One right angle with two sides of equal length, that is isosceles right angled triangle. So this is the about the matching. Okay students, now let's move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is you have to name each of the following triangles in two different ways. Means one is based on sides and other should be based on angles. So it is given side and angle both. So here you can see this is the acute angle. So first is acute angle and another is, this is all sides, here two sides are equal. So this one is isosceles triangle. Okay, like this you have to say based on the angle, one is based on an angle and other should be the based on the side. So here it is right angle. So you can write here right angle, and here you can see all are different sides. Okay, so this is scalene triangle. Okay, number third part, this is, you can see this angle is obtuse angle. Okay, that is greater than 90 degree. If you see from here, so this will be greater than 90 degree. If you place here the D, okay, so that you have to measure like this. Okay, so this is obtuse angle and this is the same, two sides are same, so isosceles triangle. Okay, here 90 degree means right angle and two sides are equal, so this is isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Here you can see this is all sides are equal, so this is equilateral and acute angle. Is acute angle, all the angles is less than 90 degree, you can measure it. Okay, and by mere observation you can see here all are less than 90 degree. So acute angle and equilateral triangle. Okay, this is the last one of question number 3, that is the sixth one. You can see here obtuse angle and scaling. Okay, so this is the question number 3. Okay students, this is the last question of exercise 5.6. This is the practical work you can do with the matchsticks. Okay, so this is the, try to construct a triangle with the help of using matchstick. So here it is given 3 matchstick you have to use. So like this I am drawing, you can take practically the matchsticks. Okay, like this. So this is an equilateral triangle, you can see by the 3 matchsticks I had made the equilateral triangle. Okay, number B is 4 matchsticks. So it cannot be possible by the 4 matchsticks because sum of any 2 sides should be greater than third side. Therefore not possible by 4 matchsticks. You can try it. I had tried, but it cannot be possible. You can try as by the 4 matchsticks also. Okay, it can't be possible. You can see it. 5 matchsticks is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5 matchstick, that is an isosceles triangle. Okay, for the 6 matchsticks you can draw like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see it that this is an equal, all the sides are equal. Okay, so that is an equilateral triangle. you can use it, this matchsticks practically, okay, to draw these triangles. So I hope you understand up till here. In the next video I will come with the exercise 5.7. okay, so please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.